Just got your Canon TS3522 printer and want to connect it to Wi-Fi? Don't worry. In this video, I'll show you the complete wireless setup step by step. Just follow along and you'll have your printer connected in just a few minutes.
Welcome to Print Smart Help. If you need instant support, you can call the number on your screen.
First, turn on your Canon TS3522 printer. Also, keep your printer close to your computer or laptop because you'll need both devices during the setup. Now go to your computer and open your web browser. Search for Canon and open the official Canon website. On the Canon homepage, click on Setup. You'll see a search box. Type TS3522 and click Go. This will open the setup page for your printer. Click Start. Follow the instructions on the screen until you see the Download button. Click Download to get the Canon setup software. When the download finishes, open the setup file. If Windows asks for permission, click Yes. Wait for the setup wizard to open. Once the setup wizard appears, click Start Setup. This will begin the installation process. Click Next. The software will now download the drivers your printer needs. This may take a few moments, so just wait until it's finished. Next, you'll see the license agreement. Read it if you want, then click Accept to continue. If this guide is helping you, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more printer setup tutorials. When you reach the Check the Connection Method screen, click Yes. Your printer will now search for available Wi-Fi networks. A list of nearby Wi-Fi networks will appear. Select your Wi-Fi network name, then click Next. Now enter your Wi-Fi password carefully. Remember, passwords are case sensitive, so make sure every letter is correct. After entering the password, click Next. After a few moments, you'll see the Connection Completed screen. This means your Canon TS3522 is successfully connected to your Wi-Fi network. Click Next to finish the setup. That's it. Your Canon TS3522 is now connected and ready to print wirelessly. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Print Smart Help, and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.